We live in a world full of anxiety, worry, and chaos. Now is the time we desperately need a solution to fight against and protect ourselves from the stressors and sleep deprivation. Stop that. This world's smallest neurostimulator, amofit S, is the upgraded version of Amo Plus, designed to be worn as a necklace or clipped to your clothes. 2 years ago, we launched our first wearable device for improving sleep and demonstrated both safety and effectiveness of our technology with over 2,000 backers and customer experiences. The device has advanced touch buttons applied and is very simple to operate. Mild electromagnetic signals from amofit S stimulate the vagus nerve in the chest, rapidly activating the parasympathetic nervous system. And this non-contact neurostimulation technology, which didn't exist before, is effective within a 9-inch radius. The device has 2 modes. It provides calm mode for improving the body's internal balance in green LED, and focus mode for activating alpha brainwaves in blue LED. It's also very easy to wear. Let this 13-gram featherlight device stay with you anytime, anywhere in your daily life. The effectiveness has been scientifically proven in 3 clinical trials under strict conditions. Our goal is to delay the physiological aging process and extend healthy life expectancy by recovering the body's innate healing ability through biohacking of the nervous system. This amazing wearable device helps you get rid of sleep problems, anxiety, and stress. It will also improve brain health related to memory and creativity, and enhance your life by correcting the body's internal balance.
Amofit S. Leading a healthier life.